bless the land. With a little CalMag, crops grow grand. Nutrients flow, yeah, the balance is key. Calcium and magnesium, the harmony. From the roots to the fruit, it's nature's beat. CalMag in the mix makes it all complete. CalMag, oh, it's the farmer's friend, helping plants grow from seed to the end. Strong stems, green leaves, fruit so sweet. CalMag's the rhythm that makes crops complete. When the pH swings and the soil runs dry, CalMag comes through, keeps the vibes high. No more yellow leaves, no more stress. It's the secret to a garden success. Tomatoes, peppers, herbs and greens all thrive together with this magic routine. Hydroponic systems or the good old dirt, CalMag makes the plants feel the earth. CalMag, yeah, oh, it's the farmer's friend, helping plants grow from seed to the end. Strong stems, green leaves, fruit so sweet. CalMag's the rhythm that makes crops complete. Oh, give thanks for the minerals pure. Calcium and magnesium, they're the cure for every yellow leaf and every weak stem. CalMag restores life to the garden again. Helping plants grow from seed to the end. Strong stems, green leaves, fruit so sweet. CalMag's the rhythm that makes crops complete.